reason iji gba kiwa. Ele reason iji gba kiwa. Ono kwa.
Ba mere meeting na the obi aroga ewopo expite. So I'm not that day na nwunye na gbangba chugara. Cause of nwunye na nwa. Weru na anye for my wife na. Every day.
Are you mad?
Get no ti kan koro no.
Are you mad? Ni kwa yin akogeri.
Inwe ike get.
Nwunye na wa ga ege yin na. Onwunye ike ikwu. Onwunye nne gi.
Ihe na mere nti ikwu okwu ike kan kwu okwu. Ana m ekwu ere.
M na ju onwunye nna gi ga eke ihe nna gi.
Ari cho yi ga nti kan kwu ene.
Nsugo onwunye nna gi ga eke ihe nna gi.
Ajụrụ gị ajụjụ simple question.
It's a simple question. Onwunye nna gi ga eke ihe nna gi.
Have you forgotten?
Ala nda ni le nwunye nam ji ogenre. Anwunye nam no ndo ogenre. Ya nwunu nwunye no sara. Okuru okwu suru edi ala. Ka o megute nwunye na amuta nwa. Na o to na
na iwe Christmas enwe ya jiga akwa ga eme. Genti eso mmago. Eso
oge nda na nwunye oge na lo be boy.
Onye ala
from next boy agura lo ta. E ka chaka ala ndu. To
onye abu na
Yes. Need the olugo.
Oga genti. Mmago assign na akwụkwọ odo. Mmago
Oga bụ onye na go ọ na-ajụ ajụ.
mmago assign na akwụkwọ ala ahụ edere.
Assign.
Assign ya.
Nwanne nwoke ọ sign ne.
Nwanne nwoke agbaba ekwe mi ano.
Mba ọ sign ne.
Assign ya.
Na dike abụ onye anyị nwetara part anyị chọrọ. Nyu na nke rukwe na
Nga that road na end.
Okay, na road akọ. Ụkwụ ọdịnala.
Ụkwụ ọdịnala.
okwu adịnala. Okay.
Nke a na o si from here.
Mbache wait. Okay.
1.5. Yes. Secretary, the fire go now.
Okay, ni ona.
Nga nkwa na. Okay. Antika la nkwa.
Onye zuru nke a dị iche ka ofu onye zukọtara ihe.
Ihe ndị a dị iche.
Okay. Nke they go now, they go follow here. They go in outside.
Obere nkwụ nke tọrọ eto. No, okay. Ị ga ebe a ogiri shi. Tarot. Tarot ọ bụla.
Ebe a niile.
Nke a ego ole ka ire nke a?
Ka
Mazi ego ile ya.
1 million naira kan re. Ka akwụkwọ ire kan che.
Ese?
1 million kan re.
1 million. Ire ya ego ole?
1 million.
Oga lego anya ebe a, le anya ebe a. Ego ole ka ire ala?
1 million.
1 million. Ya pụta ego ole na?
3.5.
Ya shele ndị ọzọ.
Nwere ọzọ. Ita ahụ dị n'ire ego.
Ito nọ n'ire ego ya.
Nda.
Ego ya.
Ka 1 million. The question here na-agwa anyị maka ichere 1 million na-eche.
Ndị nke a dịte n'ala side enu.
Ịsọ fọrọ letenero.
O nwere nke iji were ichenjere onye ala.
Ito dịrị rọ ya ka ịgbakwara na. Tu na ebe a.
O nwere ala ichenjere.
Tu na ebe a.
Elijah kwana. Elijah.
Tu na ebe a. Wa nara ebe ọ ya atịrị. Nwere ọzọ.
Nke irere with nke Elijah. Iji were ya ọzọ were dochere Elijah.
Ya kedu onye zuru ala nke a? Onye obi ebe?
Onye zụrụ ala nke a dị ma na nwụgo.
Onye zuru nke?
Ụmụ ya bịa ree.
Ree ya ebe?
Ụmụ ya erego ya.
Ree onye ka ha resiri ya?
Onye zụrụ nke a dị ka obi wọrị ka ọ dị n'ebiri.
Onye zụrụ nke a dị ka obi wọrị ebiri. Bịa. We'll do it, huh? To make our time. Yeah, I think I'm going to make that Sophia line. Sophia Kota compound on an ile. But I'm not working now. So I'm working in the game. I got another guy, I had actually, one hazard. More cooks in one hazard. She need to, she don't know who name her hazard. A lot of money gets even a family mother as well. A consult on family you are. Alo ubons obu mo ne me ya buri na train na ga finance there go no bonds so no na go na a consult on your mother and when evidence you go see na consult on mama go we have buri uzo ri be ala before amu go your brother can enter with your wala. A consult here, Gina Dala one, and then that's who got like that. More face to face, I'm a guy who like. They are pure animals. Because I need Dala. Oh, good and I don't know, has him penny pay gamus in ways in order. But I get that as all people. On our joint a book, a labor. They are all another mother Buduka. Unya, dear goes or that person, young way. Eh? Ya make it a mere pium. Hey. Is your quarter can say one case in Ken. Eh? Ukwanada, Mogane Bruka. I just a moment near Allah, I have a ladia call. Yet you ain't good self, but why? Almost one. Then the working out. Ukwanada, get in the part this boy. This guy won't money. This guy won't money. At all. Hello to what is he being swallowed. No look what he bring. Ojo, Mama, Alana, one worker some Biazaro. I'm a quan you can answer him. Eh? Oh, come here, did you want to know?
I don't think it's a
court. Give your rubies, give make a court to matter. If you wish you a consult on Mama, a more no one. That's all to she drago. Kiss you a bonda, and Mama again. I said, I'm going to have. Now we do this transaction. So anything outside that, important I got one with you, with more my land. Until I will give her. Oh, yeah,
what I do inside there. The budget with the wood, Yeban Poraja, what a beauty. About not judge get over. Whatever no cook, whatever.
Here we hear I own the pillar of treatment of Nigeria, Jibiao, in Basara, Oku report to one location to be here. They a lady without our one there. So I was, we use it easy. No men a lie. Now, all a bruise on Hunde without whom I'm going to name what I was, I got able to Kaili or Taishaga. We make the young name, who got the young name, more young you and them again. Our motto in our organization is to fight justice at all costs. No matter your gay why, we have a covenant with our God. We have made we have sacrificed our money, our time, our everything to do this work for God. Oh, good mother. God is saying he will be with those people and he will lead them. So, here they are now. I talk, I matter Alandia. Wouldn't go no can we? Landing carrier. Mana before my Gani, before Alanda, Nil and Wagon carrier, when case sign in society. I can.
I'm not son, I'm Madam Bonnet.
Mom Bonnet.
Son,
1 year work or look or sign when door sign.
I mean, the lay one night working with Bonaco.
Look inside.
We don't care all go Guaramokia.
One Gogwagon
on
and the one is your sign at the witness. Well, the buyers just would go about it by Niger Bet or court. As far as we have come into this matter, we will take it to logical end. If the law permits that in a family of 2 or more than 2, that a single person will single himself out to sell the property that belongs to the entire family single-handedly, without the notice, without notifying others in that same family. Well, I think the Supreme Court say the person that purchased that land purchased it in error. And when you purchase land in error, it's a failure. It's a failure to you entirely. So there is no law that permits that one person will sell a property that belongs to 2 or 3. In effect, when right, when community, when eze, when chief, when governor, more local government chairman, more PD, ga permit ya ire property ya na ụmụnne ya single-handedly. Anybody that does that will join him when he will go in for the matter. So he is a first son. His being a first son cannot deny others their fundamental human right. Others have their right. This is the same mama, the same papa, the same family. You are selling a property of others, that you own with others single-handedly. You notify him, your mother is there before you. You can't tell your mother to watch it, because some go that is how it is. And that is how it's supposed to be. Obruna also big here. Obi onye na-ere ala 3 or 4 or 5. Obi good like this. Do not know be an look at your house. When you ala 5. You know that all these things cost. When you are doing something that is not justified by the law, the anointing and the blessing of God is not following you. Look at Obi onye ala 5 or more than. Look at the car house you live. Look at the environment. No fence, no gate, nothing, not just. You don't have any identity. Look at everywhere. Ala 5. Mama go no there. You go any ala. One day you can work again somewhere property. You go any ala again. My friend, if you don't know what to do, come. I'm not afraid of anybody that will kill me. Listen carefully. Heaven and earth knows what I'm telling you. I'm not afraid of death. I will die. If you don't know road, come. I will show you. You will fight suit against those land that land already. You will recover it. I will join you. You get it here 1 night. You will recover those land immediately. Because those are they are fools. Also, I have Inspector General of Police. You see they ham. Iga family is wala. Eju mama go makwa ala nere. O ma ga jo mama. One day we call the ala in there. Or what to Òmenala say? Game just because you run you cheerful. Game somebody yana ala. And you go like it ala.
1 million naira.
1 million naira. The money will be refunded to the owner. And then don't cause. They sending here. Now bido. Come on, we want to see the whole land here. 1 million. Look at your house. You are very you even though you in 1956.
Mama no the ya ibekane to shi choko shi ala right. Those